front of you is grade 5 piece, here to present our water filter. So our water filter is made to make water clean. So we'll put dirty water inside, it will go through the rocks, then the charcoal, then the stone, then the cotton, and it will come out clean. Welcome.
Is the water clean for drinking?
Not clean enough for drinking.
So what do?
You should boil it first before drinking.
Okay, let's see the dirty water that you want to use. So that's the dirty water.
Yeah, this
and
is the dirty
do you think
water.
it will be clean?
When it comes down here, it will be clean, but not clean enough.
But
for
not
drinking.
clean enough to drink.
Yes.
Let's have her. This is the dirty water. So let's try it. Yeah, Liam, you can come. Actually, let me make it so dirty. So that it's very dirty. You can have it. Hi. Let's try this plate on the other side. Hide it in the bush.
Yeah, make sure you
We can do it on several. Let's see. Let's
Sure.
have this one. Are you seeing the clean water coming out?
Yes.
But not clean to drink. Studio?
Yes.
Yeah, and you remember the water that we used was very dirty.
Yes.
You are now your father.
Now the water is clean, but it's not safe for drinking. You drink it, you first have to boil it. Now you boil it, it will be safe for clean. Now thank you for watching the video, and you will say to do.
Okay. As you can see now, the water is clean, but not yet clean for drinking. So you should make sure if water looks clear, it's not yet safe for drinking. Make sure it's boiled or it's treated.
How do
Thank
treat
you for.
water?
You treat water using chemicals like chlorine.
You can add chlorine. Any other way
Yes.
apart from boiling and adding chemicals?
Yeah, they also add ways, but they won't make the water clean. Like decanting and also filtering as you have
As you have done, huh?
Yes.
But the surest way,
The surest way is always boiling.
always boil. Because when you boil, what happens? The water?
When you boil, the heat kills the germs in the water, making it clean and safe to drink.
Let's appreciate him. Everybody clap, just clap. Nice one.